Hey pottery friends, welcome back to the Pottery on Bonaire. My name is Monique and I live on Bonaire and I make pottery in my garden, and I love it and I love sharing it, so that's why I'm here. Welcome back to all of you that already know me or have seen videos of me. I come to you with another kiln opening this time, a short one and a quick one. But first I'd like to thank Linda, Louisa, Corey, twice I think, Emily, Kathy, somebody, Ellen, Sarah, Kathy, Pam, Michelle, Joan, and Lisa. Now why am I thanking you? Well, you know who you are, so you know why I'm thanking you. These lovely people have decided to give me a donation through my coffee shop. I don't talk a lot about my coffee shop. I don't want to do that in every video. But every now and then, you know, I have to sort of kind of pitch it. So I have a coffee shop. There's a link in the pinned comment if you would like to donate. You know, just a little bit of a tip or a donation. There's making these videos and especially the editing and things like that, take a lot of time. It's a lot of work, and some people appreciate it and buy me a coffee. So by now I have a lot of coffee to drink. One very special thank you is for Jane from Shoebox Studio, and I believe she's in Down Under. She is a member on my coffee shop. You can do that too now. I'm building on some extra features over there. I will update you once that's there, and I will no longer babble. I will just, you know, put the camera over there, and then let's open up this kiln. One empty spot. Took that out because that's part of a Christmas present that I cannot show, because I do not know if the recipients of those presents will be watching the video, so I'm not taking any chances. Let's start with the fun part first. I have been creating, yeah, my word. Oh, he does make me smile. Oh boy. Oh, I'm sorry, look at him. I've been creating fun things to put in your garden. Oh my word. Glaze info. This is Calico by Opulence. I will tell you more about that one in a minute. Just a little bit of white here. Soft aqua curry, Scandinavian blue. I mean, that's sort of kind of the glazes I use at the moment the most, but I think he's adorable. And I have some feet in there too, and then I will take a picture and I'll show you the picture. Look at him. I'll show you the picture at the end of the video of how I picture this in my garden, or yours, or anybody else's. Again, filled up places with mosaic tiles. This batch has mostly curry spectrum. I absolutely love this glaze. 2 layers only, so I will not bother you with taking out all of those. But this one, yes. Let's see, there were some parts that had fallen off after the bisque again. But I think it's all, yeah. My cookie coming off. Not quite yet. There's no glaze down there, so I think I'm good. This is another one of those flower, well, I don't know what the right word is, but you know, put them on a stick in your garden. I'll take a picture. The glaze here, because the last time I told you about how I glazed them with a thin small brush to get in all those little parts underneath, I wasn't feeling that this time, so I dipped this one first, and I dipped it in my standard transparent or clear glaze, the NS29 by Laguna, with a mason stain called Bermuda. So that's the turquoisey minty color, and then I put in the centers. I will give you a close-up. Is it focusing? I think so. A jungle gem, and I'll have to look up the number and put it on the screen. I love this one. This is a little bit smaller than the other ones. Isn't it pretty? Yeah. Take the cookie up later. And take this one out first. Look, way more tiles, and these are the feet that go with that funky bird. And yeah, again, I will show you at the end of the video after I've set this up in my garden. I'll take this one out for you. You've already seen so many of this. Soft red, soft aqua, raspberry mist, and curry. That's what these are. Put this away. Just a sec. There we go. And more. Let's get to this first. These are champagne flutes. Didn't come out as I anticipated or expected or wanted. This is, I'll just take one. This is the pearl white, which is beautiful. Uh-oh. One effing pinhole. Okay. 3 layers except on the bottom. And if you, I don't know if it will show up. If you look really good, you see some stripes going down. That's the soft red, which is also on the inside, which I wanted to flow down, but I guess I should have put on more. So I might refire these. We'll see. We'll think about it. Another cute little angel. Texture and simple, clear glaze. A bird feeder. Yeah, that's come out good. Yeah, that soft aqua really is a winner. It fills up the carvings and breaks over the texture. Yeah, I like it. Go. And one more big flower. Let's see. What about the cookie? Can I take it off? No, not yet. Is there glaze there? No. Well, this is the Calico again. And it's one of the finicky glazes that I have by Opulence. Let me give you a close-up. I hope you can tell. Where it's thick, it becomes purple. It's very, very beautiful. But it is so finicky, so tricky. It has to be thick enough to create that purple, or you only get this, what's that color? Brownish color. It has to be as thick that it will flake off almost and dry, crack, and do all that kind of stuff when the glaze is on there. But if it's too thick, it will run or crawl like crazy. And it's very difficult to get it just right. I will sit with this for a minute and maybe add some jungle gems and refire it. On the other hand, I do not dislike it. But, you know me, maybe it's a bit boring. I'll have to sit with this one as well, and we'll see what happens. More mosaic tiles and cute little postcards. Hand built and inlaid with slip. There we go. blue slip. I don't know if I've shown you that one. This is the, oh, which mason stain is this? Sapphire. Very, very pretty royal blue. That's a big truck. Oh, I'm so curious about that one. Fingers crossed that one didn't run too much. Let's take this one out first. This is just a simple bud vase with some texture in a standard clear glaze with Bermuda mason stain. That's pretty. And one more postcard. Isn't that cute as a little Christmas present? And then there's one more angel. And now comes the big surprise, or not. Let's see. Will they come off? Yay! What I did was make another wind chime. I love making wind chimes. And these are glazed with just one layer of a certain jungle gem. I will have to look up the number again. And I will assemble it and then show you. But these are clouds, stars, and raindrops. And so are these. Come on. I made that wire just a tad bit small, so it barely, or it just fit on my bead rod. Oh boy. And another one that, yes, well, there we go. Nope, I'm going to have to take them off one by one. Oh gosh, they're not stuck, they're just, I made these loops a little small. And you can tell, let's give you a close-up of that one, that these little pieces, oh, it doesn't focus, oh boy. The little pieces in the jungle gems melt at cone 6. And yeah, I really like that effect. But I did not put any other glaze under this. So this is just a jungle gem. And only one layer. Oh. Let's get these off. There we go. Come on. Good, 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 good. All little clouds and drops. One more. I tend to make a lot more of these smaller items for a wind chime. So I have something to choose from when I assemble it. And what I have left over will become a new one with all crazy colors all in one, probably. Well, that's the idea anyway. I have one bigger piece that will go, I hope, sort of kind of in the center to make sure that when it catches a little bit of wind, it will touch the smaller ones for a nice tingly sound. They sound so, the sound is pretty. I like the sound of these, oh, look at my hands, much better than the bamboo or the wind chimes you can buy, you know, the metal rods. I like the sound of this a lot more. There we are. Now for the big cloud that I have made, where these will be hanging from. Hopefully it didn't stick. Let's see. That's good. Yep. Ah, perfect. No dripping, no nothing. So this is the cloud. Isn't this a happy one? I like it. And on the inside, I made these little thingies. Just scored and slipped them on to put the wires through for all the little clouds and stars. Oh, this is such a happy cloud. Cute. I like it. I like it. And the rest, as you can see, is mosaic. This is an orange I made myself with a red and a yellow. This is the sapphire blue mason stain, and this is the 6088 mason stain in my slip, which is just the clay body I work with. And that's it, people. It's a quick one. Well, that's another one empty. There's more awaiting, as you can see. And up next are pictures and videos of the things that I told you I would assemble, and a little sneak peek of the next video. See you in that one. Bye bye. Hey you guys, here are the little postcards, and there is my birdie. Oh, and the sun's coming out. Oh, I adore him. Her, I don't know yet. Haven't named him. Oh, I guess it's a him yet, but I think he is effing adorable. I don't know if I want to part with him. I do know I'm going to make more. So, yeah. Oh, I'm in love. So there is the basic shape. And now I'm going to color this in. Color it in. Watch the shape. And I will close it in. I will turn so you can see a little bit better. I will just close this top